So in today's episode, we're going to go over how to replace these corner lamps with the new LED type. Step 1, turn the wheel away from the fender so you have access to these screws in here. So the tools you're going to need is a Torx 15 screwdriver to remove this screw here, this screw here, this screw here, this screw here, and this one right up here. So after they've all been removed, you're gonna get your fingers and put them up in here and pull this back just slightly. You're gonna access this tab up here and this right here. Push down on this, push out. Do the same for the bottom one. Next, you're going to pull up on this little red clip and then push down on this and slide it out. Next, take your replacement smoked style marker lens and reinstall this the same way. Make sure it snaps in and then pull this back down. And we're all set. Next, take this and align it with all the holes and then push it back in gently. And there we go. Now it's installed. Now we're going to put all these screws back in the reverse order and we'll be all set. So after you're all set, take this off. And you're gonna look something like this. Yep, that's looking pretty good.